Welcome to another beautiful estate tour with Performer Realty. Today we are touring the Citadel View estate sitting right here in Sangotedo off the LEKKI Expressway just beside the Tollywood International School. We also have Sky Mall sitting just less than 5 minutes drive away from this estate. We have Lagos Business School, we have Blanco Mall, we have ShopRite. We also have the beautiful Lufasu Park, where every one of you that loves nature goes there to relax and have a beautiful weekend with your family and loved ones. So today I'm here to show you the facilities that are sitting right inside this estate. And this estate is a sea of old properties, so you are sure to get a unit that is free from every form of encumbrance. I can't wait to show you what beautiful features, amenities, facilities we have in this beautiful estate. Come along with me, let me walk you through all we have sitting right here in Citadel View estate. Imagine having a nice time here with family and friends, unwinding, having a good exercise, just to toss all the tossing of city living and all the stress from work. Now, this is just one of so many features sitting right in Citadel View. Also, we have on my right here, we have the swimming pool, which I will be showing you shortly on this video. We have so many other features like the treated water, we have the fully solar powered electricity right here. We have so many beautiful features which I can't wait for you to see. Now, remember I told you that right here we have 2-bedroom and 1-bedroom apartment. We also have 2, 3, 4 bedroom terrace duplex sitting right here in Citadel View. We also have 4 semi-detached duplex sitting right here in Citadel View. Come with me, let me show you the beautiful playground, children playground and swimming pool, gym and so many other facilities in this estate. Now, this estate is different from all the generic estates that are right here in Lagos State. As you can see for yourself, we have a close-knit estate with a lot of greeneries for those who enjoy nature and also for your benefit, because apart having a roof over your head, you also need a nature-filled environment that will guarantee you a breath of fresh air to elongate your life. Now come with me, let me show you this sitting right here, this beautiful playground for your children. See how colorful, how exciting is looking, all fully designed for your children. And right here is the beautiful pool where you can come with the sound of nature, with the sound of water, unwind from the stress of nature. Now, this alone can give you that feel of home, and not just home, a luxury and exclusive home for you and your loved ones. And right here we have our gym and so many other units that promises you an easy and effective lifestyle. So living in Citadel View, you are not just having a home, you are having a lifestyle. Now in Citadel View, this estate is very affordable, so you can as well buy it for your own living and also put it up for rent or short let for rental income. So what I'm saying in essence that you are not just buying this unit for yourself alone, you're also buying it for a constant inflow of cash, a rental income. So if you are getting units, you're not buying one, you're not buying two, you're buying multiple units here to enjoy constant cash flow. So give me a call right now on 091-3444-5696 to grab yourself units in Citadel View Estate, sitting right here in Sangotedo off Lekki Express Way. My name is Ifoma Pepeto, your first and very best when it comes to real estate matters here in Lagos State and Asaba. Until I come your way next time, keep investing in real estate, but don't forget to give me a call and you'll be getting yourself a very juicy deal. Love you.